First na the ball. Jersey for 30 para sa team ang Kuyawan. Gokayan. Paso ng isa. Dairo. Lugar na ka na. Gokayan. Two strong. Gokayan pa rin. Foul. Pushing foul on jersey number 6. Para sa DJ Builders, first personal foul. Two points, jersey number 30. Jersey number 29, pass number 30. Tomera sa press, too strong. Rebound number 7, okay. Number 13, too strong. Bado for the rebound, holding in the jersey number 30. Paso Dairo. Peltis, another 2 points by Peltis. Jersey number 7. Number 29, inside. 2 points. First 2 points then para sa PAJ Builders. Gokayan. Loose ball. Jersey number 29. Two points. Another 2 points. Peltis. Binabagaling jersey number 30. Peltis. Pass down again. 6 points na. Peltis. Jersey number 29. Number 30. Ika pass number 7. Jersey number 7, short, number 6, foul. Foul on jersey number 23, Gokayan. Gokayan is first personal foul. First FIFA. 2 shots para jersey number 6. First strike, basket. Second try. 2 out of 2. Dairo. Pasok ko kaya dancing on the wrong steps. Jersey number 29. Basket number 30. Wait. Ika pasok number 28. Again, jersey number 13. Wow, 8 points. 6 points rather para kay jersey number 13. Score 8 by 6. Dairo. Bernisa. Papas to Dairo. Time to shoot. Bernisa. Round shot. Too strong. Rebound jersey number 7. Para sa PAJ Builders, jersey number 7, number 30, pull-up jumper, too strong, number 7 pa rin, to number 29, jersey number 30, inside, number 6, wow, nice pass. 10 by 6. Gokayan. Bernisa. Paso ang Bernisa. Too strong. Rebound jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, number 28. Jersey number 6. Basket. 12 by 6. 6-0 na.
6-12 ang score.
Bernisa. Foul. Foul on jersey number 30. Too strong. 9. 1 out of 2. Number 28. Pass to jersey number 3. Kick out pass. Pumera sa press. Stop. Rebound. Cairo. Ang pamamadali. Cairo inside. Penisa. Traveling violation made by Penisa. Jersey number 3. Para sa PEJ Builders. Jersey number 7. 2 points. Cairo.
14-7 ang score. Favor.
Bernisa bounce pass to Cairo. Bernisa short. Jersey number 28. Number 1. Jersey number 7. Loose point na bitawag pa. 5 minutes 37. Jersey number 13. Melvis to Bernisa. Bernisa to Kabayanan. Cairo. 1-on-1. Cairo. 2 points. Jersey number 3, 9 by 14. Jersey number 3, number 6, tumira sa press. Short. Number 3 pa rin, number 7. Houston. Holding foul. Number 09. Substitution. Sunod-sunod. Tawag. First personal foul, second team fouls. Five minutes at 9. Jersey number 28, down to the middle. Number 72, intercepted by Cairo. Cairo, tumatak ko. Pass to Belvis. Belvis, drive. Belvis pa rin. Foul. Foul on Jersey number 3. First personal foul, third team foul. First try basket. Second try para Belvis. 2 out of 2. 11 by 40. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 1. Jersey number 1 against Bocayanan. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 6. Tumira sa press. Short. Rebound Bernisa. Bernisa. Diretso. Nabitawag ng Wonders 3. Intercept na din. Bocayanan. Bocayanan. Intercept rin. Number 6. Uy, nakakuha rin. Belvis. 2 points. Belvis. 4 minutes and 15. 13 by 14. Jersey number 6. Number 3. Pass number 1. Pull up for foul number 13, Belvis. First personal foul. Third team fouls. Second try. 1 out of 2. 4 minutes, 6 seconds. Barcelona, pass to Cairo. Cairo, down to the middle. Ball tayo by Belvis to Cairo. Bocayanan. Time to shoot, Cairo. Power move, 2 points. 15 on. Jersey number 3 against Barcelona. To jersey number 6, bounce pass, number 28. Number 6 against Barcelona. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 72. 2 points. Barcelona bounce pass. Pelvis, short. Foul, huli. Foul jersey number 1 para sa TAJ Builders. Warning for penalty substitution. Sunod. Warning for penalty, TAJ Builders. 3 minutes and 9. Short, Supan pa rin. Supan, traffic. There's a violation made by Supan. Jersey number 88. Wow! Nice move. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Barcelona. Pasto ko kaya eh. Supan. Cairo. Bad pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. 2 minutes 36 seconds. Barcelona enters after jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 to number 02. Huli. Number 02.
Offensive.
Number 02 offensive foul. Called by ref.
Ako mapahimay may pagkakakit.
Cairo. Nakuha ang jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 3, 2 minutes and 15. Foul.
Bakit intense?
Foul call on jersey number 9. I'm out. TAJ. First try. Basket. Second try. 1 out of 2. Supan. Supan may ilangan ng bola. Supan against jersey number 3. Cairo. Pinapasok sa Barcelona. Barcelona against jersey number 1. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tres!
Diaz, short. Rebound jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 1.
Bang!
2 points.
Agoy! Sakit. Sana all.
Supan. Yung panamingan. Supan. Loose ball. Supan. Pasok ang Barcelona. 10 seconds to shoot. Diaz. Nothing but that. 2 points para Diaz. 1 minute 20 seconds. Jersey number 3 against Barcelona. Bounce pass.
Ay!
Uy, pinasa kay Ref. Itira mo na lang.
Ano ba yung titira naman?
8 seconds. Barcelona. 1 minute and 5. Barcelona. Jersey number 9. Kakasok Barcelona. 1 minute. Barcelona. Cairo. Inside. Bula. TAJ Builders. 54 seconds. 54 segundos. Jersey number 02. Pass number 28. Number 28. Number 1. 2 points. 45 seconds. Jersey number 9. Paso Diaz. 30 seconds. Taquilos.
TJ.
Substitution. Penalty.
Minsan naglalagpo ka
TJ
na.
Cougars. Bonus throw para kay Dairo. 28 seconds. Short. Save ball. 26 seconds. 8-point violation. 25 seconds. Barcelona against Jersey. Foul number 3, penalty. Second personal foul, jersey number 3. Substitution, penalty. Two seconds. 2 shots para kay Barcelona. Segundos. First strike. Second try para kay Barcelona. Seconds. Jersey number 2, bounce pass. Short. Foul. Jersey number 5. Penalty. First personal foul. Jersey number 5. 11 seconds. First try para kay Saison. Short. 11 seconds. Basket. 10 seconds. Left. 5 seconds. 2 points. 3 seconds. And the first quarter of
Maigpit ang laban, guys. 23-24 favor of TEJ. Maigpit ang laban sa first quarter. Belang taon
jersey number 30.
sa second quarter, be.
Short. Rebound. Diaz. Perlis. Paulo. Paso. Perlisa. Diaz. Using the ball. Too strong. Dairo. 2 points. Dairo. Jersey number 29. Passing jersey number 6. Number 29. Jersey number 6. Short. Bawe. Berniza. Diaz. Pasok Bawe. Bawe sa kita. Dairo. Sting. Foul. Foul call on jersey number 6. 2 shots para kay Dairo. Second personal foul, jersey number 6. First try, basket, lamang na. Ang Albion.
Go, quit. Out. Asad.
Second try, 2 out of 2 para kay Dairo.
Go, Barota!
Jersey number 29. Pass number 30. Counter middle. Jersey number 69.
Bang!
Libre.
Grabe.
Practice na muna. Bawe.
26-27 ang score.
Bawe. Pasok ng Perkisa. Bawe. Pelvis. Too strong. Bawe pa rin. Bounce pass. Perkisa to Diaz. Another 2 points para sa team ng Kuyawan. Magandang ball rotation. Uy. Bad pass.
Yung mga players wala ginabalas. Why ginabalas?
Bawe. Bounce pass. Perkisa to Dairo. Dairo. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow! Nice move. Reverse by
Sana all.
Dairo.
Yan na! Dami ko naman slow mo ba?
Jersey number 29. Uy! Pinakaintindihan. Perkisa. Tanto numero. Pasok Pelvis. Pelvis. Bulak cover. No basket. Rebound jersey number 6 para sa DEG Builders. Jersey number 29. 31 by 26. Jersey number 7. Inside. Loose ball. 11 to shoot.
Eh, wala na bang lalamig dito? Para lang kami nasa aircon ng open air.
11 to shoot.
Signal, siguro number 4 yung aircon.
Jersey number 13.
Bang!
Too strong. Rebound para kay Dairo. Dairo nagpapatay. Dairo pinasa kay Belvis. Belvis hesitation inside. Belvisa. Sobra. Nakuha yung jersey number 7. Jersey number 13. 3 on 3. Wow, nice play. But too strong. Jersey number 6. Score number 28. Lista mo na. Magandang basa-basa. Dairo na Abuelo. 2 points. Dairo. Jersey number 29. Bounce pass to number 7. Spinning move. Sobra. Rebound Diaz. Pawe. Pawe sa ngayon. Kailangan wala. Pawe. Inasa ka Belvis. Inside. Belvis sa break. Dancing on the long steps. Grabe. Jersey number 29. Number 30. Kanto na minong inside. Wow. Basta. Parang nakapuntos lang sa number 30. Magandang basta. Bawe. Pinasa kay Diaz. Bawe. Pinasa kay Berlisa. Berlisa. Dairo sa ilalim. Dairo na naman. Number 7. Number 13, kick up pass to number 7. Jersey number 7, 5 minutes and 40. Number 29 to number 30. Please stop na.
33 to 30.
33, 42. Isa na lang. 5 minutes and 25. Diaz. Dairo. Belvis. Short. Rebound.
Siga!
To number 13. Time out. Ceasefire. Gokayan. Inampas. Supan. Short. Buhatin pa Berlisa. Inside to Gokayan. Power move. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 28. Abuelo. No pass at jersey number 7. Too strong pa rin. Ang awang bumo. Buhatin pa Supan. Supat to Berniza. Berniza to another. Berniza short. Rebound jersey number 7. Number 3 to number 13. 2 points. Gokayanen. Loose ball. Gokayanen inbounding the ball. Pass to Supan. Short. Rebound. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 13. Loose ball. Substitution.
Ganda si Gaya.
Number 3. Carrying the ball. Violation. Substitution. 3 minutes 54 seconds. Berniza. Bounce pass to another. Berniza inside. Gokayanen reverse. Supan. Supan. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Top the key against Berniza. Jersey number 6. Inside. Number 44. Lead out. Number 7. Short. Rebound pa rin. Jersey number 1. 2 points. Balikan ng tingka. 2 puntos. Supan. Supan. Traffic. Loose ball. Diaz. Time to shoot. Berniza. No basket. No mark. Jersey number 1. But it's a loose ball. 2 minutes 56 seconds. Diaz. Ikaw dribble. Diaz. Pass to Berniza. 2-stroke pa. Step on the line. Made by Gokayanen. Jersey number 3. Number 44 to number 1. Easy basket. 37-40. Tatlo pa rin. PJ Supan. Blocking foul. Foul on jersey number 1. Second personal foul. Third team fouls. Berniza. Pass to Diaz. Diaz. Take a shot. Too strong. Berniza pa rin. Too strong pa rin. Ibang jersey number 44. Number 44, Hule, Gokayanen, pass to Supan, Supan quick. Enters second, jersey number 44. Jersey number 3, pass number 1. Against Gokayanen, another 2 points, unstoppable. Jersey number 1. 1 minute 37. 42, 37. 5.3. Berniza. Berniza. Ano kayang gagawin? Pinasa ay Supan. Supan tumira sa press. Short. Berniza sa ilalim. No basket. Rebound jersey number 6. Number 3. Number 3 goal. Jersey number 1 na naman. Loose ball. Substitution. One minute and 9. Jersey number 3. Pass number 1. Blocking foul. Made by jersey number 23. Substitution. Gokayanes, second personal foul. Tawag. Substitution. First team foul. 1 minute and 3. One minute, 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 44, basket, foul, number 45, 53 seconds, 53 segundos. Warning for penalty, TAJ Builders. Foul to Diaz. Diaz, pass. Dairo. 40 seconds, time to shoot. Intercepted, number 44, to number 3. Jersey number 3. Ball pass, loose ball. 32 segundos. Jersey number 6. 25 seconds, too strong. May power. 20 seconds. Bounce pass to Diaz. Diaz, 1-on-1. 2 points, Diaz. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 points. And to the second quarter, official score 39. Berniza, pass to Gokayanes. Back pass to Berniza. Berniza, pass to Luis. Inside, loose ball. Bola, TAJ Builders. Jersey number 29, pass to jersey number 1. Number 29. Huli. Berniza. Get the ball. Berniza. Pass to Gokayanes. 2 points.
Kibot na tira ba?
Jersey number 1. Huli na naman ni Berniza. Gokayanes. Na naman short. Belvis. 2 points. 43-44. Jersey number 1. Huli. Uy, nakuha pa ni jersey number 1. Number 28, too strong. Loose ball. Bola. Off the wall.
43-44 ang score, guys.
Berniza.
Why galayo score da?
Gokayanes. Kung meron sa press, 3 points!
Gapang ibot lang at tres.
46-44. Jersey number 29. Babawe. Airport. Diaz. Berniza. Berniza. Tap by jersey number 6. Bounce pass. Number 29. Back to jersey number 1. 3-on-1. Diaz to jersey number 28. Foul. Foul made by jersey number 11. Substitution. Diaz first personal foul. First team foul at Kuyawa. 2 shots para kay number 28. First try. Second try. Short. 1 out of 2. Gokayanes to Dairo. Dairo. Pass to Belvis. Belvis. Down to the middle. 2 points. Nakuha pushing. Jersey number 1, tatlo ka na. First team foul. Substitution. Berniza.
Op.
Diaz. Diaz, ito po kaya yan. Diaz. Pelvis na naman. Another 2 points. Iwan sa Belvis. Puntos talaga.
50-45 na.
Back pass.
Minamalas na ang TJ Builders, mga lods. 50-45 ang score. Favor of Aguewan Calzada.
Berniza. Against Jersey number 29. Intercepted. Nag-iisa. 2 points.
Okay, katao! Pwede tayo! Pwede tayo, katao!
Belvis to Diaz. Bapas to Belvis. Gokayane inside. Diaz to Berniza. Nabinawan pa.
Ayun ka lang!
Jersey number 6 to number 29. Jersey number 6. Airball. Diaz
Aga!
Gairo. Drive.
Oh!
And one.
Foul counted.
Foul made by Jersey number. Foul number 02 of TJ Builders. Bonus throw. Tawag. Substitution. Second personal foul, 02. Second team fouls. Gairo para sa bonus time. Basket. 23-47. 6 minutes. Jersey number 3. Number 28. Number 13. Number 7. Wow, 2 points. Nandyan sa ilalim. Gairo. Paso Belvis. Belvis to Belvis. Belvis. Too strong. Jersey number 7 to number 13. Easy 2 points. 51-53. Gokayane. Bounce pass to Berniza. Mamba. Spin. Too strong. Gairo. Wow. Foul ball on number 28. Dalawang. Second personal foul. Third team fouls. First try. Short. Second try para kay Gairo. Pass na kanan. Pushing foul. Jersey number 18. Mamba. Second team fouls. Jersey number 3, pass number 7. Number 28. Jersey number 28, pass number 3. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 13. Running shot. Hindi. Rebound Gairo. Belvis. Pass to Berniza. Gokayane.
Galayo ang score.
Bernisa. Traffic violation.
55-53 guys. Wala Galayo.
Substitution.
May Galayo ang mga score nila.
4 minutes, 5 seconds. 53-55. Dalawa para sa Kuya. Jersey number 3. Pass number 7. Jersey number 7 against Barcelona. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Bustrom. Pushing. Foul made by number 18. Substitution. Dalawa ka na. Bamba. 30 fouls. 3 minutes 45. Gina pass to number 7. No pass up. Pula ang Kuya. 3 minutes 31. Supa against jersey number 13. Barcelona. Daino na naman sa ilalim. Ang haba talaga. 2 points na naman para kay Daino. Jersey number 28. Drive. Loose ball. Same ball. Loose ball, Daino. Seconds to shoot. Jersey number 13. Foul. Jersey number 18. Mamba. Tatlo ka na. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Over at 55. Jersey number 13. 2 points.
57-55 ang score guys. Third quarter.
Supa. Pass to Barcelona. Belvis. In and out. Supa. Too strong pa. Diaz pa rin. Belvis. 2 points. 2 minutos. 25 segundos. 55-59, apat na isa. Number 69. Number 28. 2 points. Number 30. 2 minutes and 5. Diaz. Pass to the air.
59-57.
Ina pass. Barcelona down to the middle. Short. Loose ball. Bula. Bigay. Jersey number 88. Pass to number 7. Loose ball. 1 minute 48. Jersey number 13. Foul. Number 41. Penalty. 2 shots. Barcelona. First shot. Suma, pass to Barcelona. Barcelona. Barcelona para yang time to shoot. Shoot. Pushing foul. Number 88. Penalty. Penalty. 2 shots para kay jersey number 28. Supan. First personal foul. 1 minute and 15.
Niya, the sigay. Back to back naglagan. Ngayon namin 40 up eh. Back to back naglagan. Halo pa!
1 minute.
Kita ito, tapos lang.
Number 3. Loose ball. 50 seconds. 50 segundos. Dario. 45 seconds. Supan.
The sigay.
Foul number
60-59 na sir. 60-59. Favor of Aguewan Calzada.
First try by Supan. Thirty-six seconds. Second try. Pass na try. 96 segundos. Number 8, number 7, 24 seconds. Dario, pass to Diaz. Diaz, shot, 9 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 segundos. Time out. Team out. 4 segundos. 3 segundos. 3 seconds.
Doon ka ba? Ayaw madlagan, di ba? Isa kang dua ba?
3 seconds. And the third quarter, official score 61-6. Here's number 29, bounce pass number 7. Number 29, time in the middle, bounce pass number 1. Jersey number 1. Strong. And foul para kay Delvis. Dario. Beanisa, pass to Dario. Foul. Fouling by number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Dario. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball taken by jersey number 7. Number 7, 2 points. Bakayanin. Pasok ka Risa. Beanisa. Pasok ka Bakayanin. Loose ball.
score 63, favor of Agwiwan Calzada. Isa na lang.
Jersey number 29 against Belensa. Pass number 6. Foul number 13, Belis. Second personal foul. Number 29. 9 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 1. 2 points. Naman rin ang TJ Builders. At isa, huli. Diaz. Belvis, 2 points. Short, rebound Cairo. Foul. Foul, jersey number 29. First personal foul. Second, team fouls. Diaz, pass ko kaya. Pelvis, pull-up jumper. 2 points.
Balik ka bola.
68, 65, tatlo ang lamang.
Jersey number 29
Agwiwan
para sa
Calzada.
TJ Builders. Against Belensa. Pass number 6, deep bread. Pass out. Opening by Diaz.
Kicking the ball.
Deep ball. Substitution.
Ay, kalamig.
7 minutes, 28 seconds. Gokayanin. Forcing foul, number 13, Belvis. Third personal foul. Jersey number 3. Paupasa, Cairo. Pass to Belensa. 2 points. Nakuha na naman ni Cairo. Cairo pagbukayanin. Too strong. Rebound jersey number 6. Pass number 7. Belensa. Blocking foul. Number 6. Diaz. Too strong. Loose ball. Jersey number 7. Pass number 13. Jersey number 13. Pass number 7. Time to shoot. Jersey number 13. Huli. Gokayanin. Pass to Belensa. 2 points.
72-65.
6 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 13. Uy! Nice. Short. And back. Gokayanin. Now the back pass. Belvis. Diaz. Sobrang pasa. Mula kay Diaz. Substitution. 5 minutes seconds. Jersey number 3, pass number 6. Jersey number 7, pass number 6. Jersey number 3, ikaw pass. Two strong, number 13, 2 points. 5 minutes and 20. Gagiro, kukumayan. Babayan. Pasok ang Lisa. 10 seconds to shoot. Belvis, 2 points. 5 minutes. Number 30. Jersey number 30. Bounce pass number 69. Rebound pass number 3. Number 13. Who's up? Back by Belisa. Belisa. Belvis. Foul. Number 3. Substitution. Fourth personal foul. Jersey number 3. Warning for penalty. Substitution. 4 minutos 40 segundos. Dairo. Pasok Diaz. Diaz. Foul and 1. Foul. On number 20. Third personal foul. Bonus throw. Substitution.
Why kapag ang balas gano'n, nagsulod ka rin. Yeah.
Bonus throw para kay Diaz. Two strong. Uy, Diaz pa rin. Diaz. Short. Number 6 para sa PHA. 76-67. Foul. 2 shots. Foul on number 28. Substitution. 4 minutes and 80. 13 fouls ang Kuya Juan. First try, basket. Second try, short. Belvis para sa rebound. Powell. Pass sa Saison. Powell pa rin.
76-68 ang score.
Belvis. Saison.
Nice!
Saison.
68.
4 minutes.
78.
Jersey number 3.
Ulo naman
Pass
na
number 6. Jersey number 6 tumila sa press. In and out. Rebound para kay Dairo.
Naging pulo na ang lamang ng Agkuyawan Kalsada, guys.
Suma against jersey number 30. Mule. Jersey number 30. Easy 2 points.
8. 70.
3 minutes and 30. Mule. Number 69. Bounce pass. Number 3. Time out. Team.
3 minutes and 10 seconds left, guys. 78-72. Anom do lang, anom.
Supa. Pass to Saison. Saison to Belvis. Belvis pull up number 2 points. Jersey number 30. Number 28. Jersey number 28 to number 13. Short. Saison. Too strong. Rebound number 69. 2 points.
Ito.
Second try. Substitution.
82.
74. Last 2 minutes.
Grabe nga pa.
Number 13.
Intense. Mabilis ang laro nila, guys.
Pass number 7. Short. Supa. 1 minute and 45. Berniza. Loose ball. 1 minute 37.
82-74. Favor of Agwewang Kalsada.
Jersey number 7. Short.
Ay! Wow.
Foul number 1. Penalty, 2 shots para kay Supan.
Why?
Apat ka na, jersey number 1. 1 minute 25 seconds.
Bayutan lang ba?
1.25.
Balik gitu tani ang balik kawang niya ato. Mayad lang. Why siya na sa lusang piyak nga team kay alanganin.
Basket. Second try para kay Supan. Too strong. Foul. Number 88. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
83-74.
Jersey number 1. Pass number 13. Number 6. Short. Jersey number 13. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 28. Foul. Number 09. Berniza. Penalty.
83-74.
1 minute 5 seconds.
1 minute 5 seconds, ha?
Welcome po.
First try. Basket.
Pila ka muna.
Second try. Basket. 1 minute and 5.
May duwa kami di ka muna pa eh.
Supa. Last 1 minute. Cariro.
83-76. 83-76.
10 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds. Cariro. 45 seconds left to shoot. Foul. Number 1. Foul out. Automatic substitution. Sunod. 44 seconds. Number 1. First try basket. 44 segundos. Second try try para kay Dairo. Short.
Bato.
40 seconds. Foul. Number 41, penalty. Second personal foul. 2 shots. First side, no basket. Second try, no basket. May foul pa rin dito. Foul number 13. 37 seconds. Third personal foul. Basket. Second try, basket again. 37 seconds. Short. There's number 30, 22 seconds.
Ay!
And out, 20. Foul number 7.
Ginaluad, gid.
Second personal foul. 19 seconds. First strike, basket. 19 seconds. Second try, basket again. 19 seconds. 15. Jersey number 28, 2 points.
Ang Agwewang Kalsada 88. 78.
Agwewang Kalsada. To end the elimination, 5 wins, no loss.